How to format a 64 GB or larger SD card to FAT32. This video will show you how to format an SD card over 32 GB to FAT32 file system on Windows 10. Formatting process will delete all files from the device. If you do not want to lose your files, be sure to back up files before formatting the SD card. Formatting an SD card to FAT32 is an easy task, and yet if your SD card is larger than 32 GB, you'll find the FAT32 option is not available. Although Windows built-in formatting tools like File Explorer or Disk Management does not let you format a large SD card to FAT32, you can use a third-party tool to do the formatting. Here are steps to format an SD card which is larger than 32 GB into FAT32 file system in Windows 10. Step 1. Install and launch the free Partition Manager software DiskGenius Free Edition. Step 2. Select your SD card and click Format button. Step 3. Click the File System drop-down list and select FAT32. You can change the name for the drive if you need. Step 4. Click Format button when you're ready to start formatting. You will receive the warning message, click Yes if you are ready to move forward. Now the SD card is successfully formatted to FAT32. If you find this video useful, subscribe please and thank you for watching.